Do you also struggle with pauses when you speak? Or you make hesitations or a sound when you speak? So here I am going to recommend you an exercise which can eliminate all those pauses and all those hesitations. So what you have to do, you have to select a text and you have to set a 1-minute timer for yourself. And within that 1-minute time, you have to read that text very fast as possible, and you have to cover as much as possible. So within 1 minute, you will try to cover as much as possible by reading as fast as possible. Let me present how. Market research is a vital part of the planning of any business. However experienced you or your staff may be in a particular field, if you are thinking of introducing a service to a new area, it is important to find out what the local population thinks about it first. Not a lot is known about how the transportation of goods by water first began. Large cargo boats were being used in some parts of the world up to 5,000 years ago. However, seafaring became more widespread when large sailing boats traveled between ports carrying spices, perfumes, and objects made by hand. I did not take more than 25 seconds. So this is what you have to do. You have to read the text as fast as possible and cover as much as possible within that 1 minute time. Okay. If you do this regularly, you will definitely see a lot of improvement in your fluency, and your habit of taking pauses in between or making a sound in between would be gone. Keep learning, keep growing, stay blessed. Bye-bye.